Blogic. It allows you to convert your Notion database into a beautiful blogs and websites. It takes less than a minute to set up and manage your website without leaving the Notion. Once you have given the beta access, you are going to see a website settings like this after you log in. It takes 3 simple steps to create your homepage. Please click on example site link. Once you click on that, it redirects to your a Notion database template where you can duplicate this to your personal workspace. Once you duplicate it, change the link to your subdomain. Once you have done that, go back to the Blogic website and click on the second step. This redirects you to the Notion.so to choose the duplicated Notion database and then give the allow access. Once the Notion is authorized, click on the settings. Now the last step is to choose the website database. Click on the select website database and then choose the one that you have given access to and hit save. Now we have the website set up. Click on the URL to see the home page. Now you can see the home page that is loaded from the Notion database from your workspace. Let me make some changes to the home page so that we can make sure that it is loaded. Say heading. I'm gonna put heading 2 and then add a word with red color and change that to red. Okay. Refresh the website and now you can see a new text here. Okay. Now I'm gonna show you how to add blog to this one. Add a new row and call it as blog, and I'm gonna add the link and also add blog here as a URL. Now choose the type blog home. This lets the Blogic know that this URL belongs to the blog home and then loads all the blog posts available in this Notion database. Let's go back to the website and then refresh this one. And now you can see a new link here on the header menu. Click on the blog. That redirects you to the blog page. Right now we don't have any blogs, so I'm gonna create one blog post to show you. I'm gonna copy paste some text again so that to make this one quick, and then add a link, blog, and then write your URL for the blog post. I want to put it as how to have water cooler moments. Now choose the type as blog post and then give the read time so that like the users can know that how much time it's gonna take to read this blog. This is an empty page. I want to add like some more details like a blog content. So I'm gonna copy paste something here again. Also add a cover page. I'm gonna copy paste from the Unsplash. Now let's go back to the website and then refresh this blog page. Once it loads, it's gonna show you the blog post. So click on the blog post and you can see the blog post loaded successfully. Now you can see the author, the date published, and how much time it takes to read, and all the stylings that from the Notion that we have. Now I'm going to add some tags here for the blog post. So add some tags. For demo purpose, I'm adding few tags here. Let's go back to the web page and then reload it. So it's gonna show you the tags too. This is how you set up the blog. Now I wanted to add like few more links here and also some links on the footer. Now let's do that. Go back to the Notion database, add a contact us page and say call it as contact us, and then choose the page type here. So the page type here is like can be header link, footer link, or more link or also header button. I'm going to show you like what each does. So if you choose the header link, and if you go to the website and then refresh this one, you can see it as a header link. Let me change it as header button. So now if I refresh this one, you can these contact us changes to the header button. In the same way, you can make changes to put it as like a footer link, but for now I wanted to add as a more link. That is a new another variation. So if I refresh it now, it's gonna go under the more drop down menu right here. Let me click on the contact us. Now there is no content. Let's add the contact form here from the Notion database. So if I open contact us and then add contact us, and let me make this something green. Please contact us using the form below. Now if we go back to the website and then refresh it, you can see the content, which is the heading and the content, but now we don't have a form, right? Let's create that form using another new Notion database. So I'm gonna add a new page here, Blogic forms, and then make it an empty one, and then insert an inline table, call it as contact us form or anything you want. So now change the tags to email. So for this form I want to capture name, email, and the message. Now click on the share and then share this with the Blogic integration and click invite. Now go back to the website and click on forms, create a new form here. So the new form is contact us, and choose the database, which is a contact us form that you just added, and hit save. So now you have created the form. Click on the form ID so that it copies a simple shortcode where you can add that to your contact us page. Now I'm going to add this one, and there is an extra parameter that you need to add, pass in, which is fields, and you want to capture email, name, and message. These are case sensitive, so it should be exactly matched with the column names. Let me go to the website and then refresh this one. So now you can see a form. Let me add sample content here, contact@example.com, and also a name. So when you hit submit and go back to the forms, so you can see there's like a new row inserted. So that's how you can capture the data from the forms to the Notion databases. Thank you for watching.